各位同學大家好啊，歡迎翻到嚟秒行教育呢個 YouTube channel 啊！大家好，又係我 Ben，繼續為大家送上 HKDSE BAFS 第二堂嘅 Introduction to Accounting 1C 嘅部分裏邊嘅咩啊？裏邊有關一啲 Purchases 同埋 Sales Daybooks 嘅一啲課程嘅。咁或者咧，如果同學仔唔知我哋發生咩事咧，我哋秒行教育咧就係一個免費嘅補習網，將一啲免費 video 咧同埋咧一啲 notes 咧 upload 上去互聯網咧，希望咧去幫助社會去做到有教無類呢一個咁嘅社會風氣，同埋推廣呢一種咁嘅精神嘅。咁或者同學仔咧喺正式開始之前咧，跟開我嘅同學咧都知道咧，應該咧要 download 咗份 notes 咧先可以上堂啦。咁份 notes 喺邊度 download 到咧？就係喺我哋嘅官方網站，或者喺我哋下邊呢個 YouTube channel 嘅 description box 嗰度咧都會有寫低嘅，得唔得？咁咧各位同學仔download 好份 notes 咧，坐定定咧就開始上堂啦。今堂咧就會講呢個 Purchases and Sales Daybooks 嘅裏邊嘅一啲 detail 嘅。好啦，各位同學仔，咁 download 好 notes 咧，坐定定咧就開始上堂啦。咁我哋揭開 notes 嘅 page 2咧，A part 呢個 introduction 咧又見翻呢個 accounting cycle 喎。咁咧我成日都話其實 bookkeep 咧，即係你 BAFS 咧 1C 呢個課程咧，絕對係圍繞住咩？絕對係圍繞住 bookkeep 呢個 bookkeeping 呢個 accounting cycle 嘅。而呢個 accounting cycle 就係咩？應用咗 double entry 呢個概念嘅，為咗 double entry 呢一個 system 咧，成個 system 去貫穿咗嘅。咁究竟 sales daybooks 同 purchases daybooks 咧係喺邊一個 step 咧 ？accounting cycle 我講過咧。Accounting cycle 咧就係一個既定嘅系統咧，去 record 低所有嘅 business transaction 嘅，我呢個簡稱 BT 啦，得唔得先？咁究竟就係邊個位置咧？就係講緊呢一個位置啊 ，step 1呢度咧，通常有一個 business transaction 發生咗之後咧，我哋咧就會有一啲 subsidiary book 嘅，就會係記低一啲transaction 係有啲乜嘢 information 發生嘅。咁咧其實 sales daybooks 同 purchases daybooks 咧就係呢一個部分相關嘅同。OK，咁咧其實 subsidiary books 咧亦都有另一個別名喎，就係叫做 books of original entry 啦。咁呢個名咧就會係比較舊啲嘅，即係我哋有兩個名，其實都係一樣嘅啫，即係 account 即係呢啲嘢成日專制啊，咁就好多名。咁究竟呢啲 subsidiary books 咧有邊幾款咧？咁你見到呢度咧就有1、2、3、4、5、6、7款嘅。咁1至4咧，我哋大約可以歸類為咧，都係同一啲 sales 或者係同 purchases 咧有關嘅一啲 subsidiary books 或者 books of original entry。而5同6咧就會係同 cash 有關嘅。7咧就係一個比較獨立、比較特別嘅book 嚟嘅，就叫 journal。咁咧嚟緊咧喺接下落嚟嘅即係下一堂咧，同埋再之後嗰一堂咧，我哋咧就會講5同6呢兩本簿嘅。咁但係今堂咧，我哋就圍繞1至4呢4本簿嗰度講翻個解釋嘅。OK，咁咧我哋會首先見到咧第一個 column 呢度就講咗呢本簿叫咩名咧？第二個 column 咧就會講低呢本簿係負責記錄啲乜嘢 transaction 嘅。咁我哋 focus on 頭4本先啦。咁咧其實顧名思義啦。Purchases daybooks 係咩 ？Purchases daybooks 係記錄同 purchases 有關嘅事宜啦。咁而 sales daybooks 咧就係反之亦然啦，就係同 sales 有關嘅。咁 return hours 咧，亦都係你睇名就知，就係指如果退貨嘅情況，我哋就會喺呢本簿嗰度咧做一啲 record 㗎啦。咁 return invoice 唔使講啦。即係話人哋退翻貨俾我哋入嚟嘛 invoice 入嚟 return 人哋 return 入嚟嘛，人哋退貨俾我哋嘛，咁就係嗰啲相關嘅 transaction 就會喺裏邊就記錄低啦。咁咧其實咧每一個 transaction 咧我都講過話，其實就係一件 business event 發生咗，然後你先記錄低。咁但係咧點知一個 business event 發生咗，譬如你間公司8、9幾人嘅，咁譬如你賣咗貨俾人嘅係你個僆負責噶嘛，你如果只不過係做 account 或者你係老闆，你係唔會知道如果條僆賣咗貨喎，可能佢遲2日先話俾你聽噶。咁幾時先知，或者有啲乜嘢 evidence， 有啲咩 document 咧可以話到俾你聽咧？咁呢度咧都有個 column show 咗俾你睇嘅。咁例如以 purchase嘅 business event 嚟講，譬如你買貨咧，人哋嗰個 supplier 咧通常會俾翻個 purchase 嘅 invoice 嚟㗎。咁譬如你賣貨俾人咧，你就要 issue 翻呢個 sales invoice 一個賣貨嘅單俾人㗎。咁同樣地 return hours 同 invoice 都有佢哋既定嘅 document， 即係 debit note 同 credit note。咁陣間我都會遲下再講翻清楚啲究竟 procedure 係點啊。咁即係不如我做一個簡單嘅 concept 話俾你聽咧，即係話你可能見到某一啲嘅 document 嘅時候咧，即係呢個 original document，譬如你見到個 sales invoice 嘅時候咧，你就可以判斷到究竟係乜嘢嘅 business transaction，然後揾翻相應嘅 subsidiary books 咧去記錄翻究竟係應該做啲咩嘅，得唔得先？個 concept 係清晰嘛，就係圍繞住呢個 first part 呢一度 accounting cycle 呢一 part 去做嘅。咁咧其實我知道日校嗰個課程咧，即係我都有參考過一啲教科書嘅，因為咧我哋中文大學咧如果唔知我係咩人嘅唔緊要，你睇翻 video 我唔知嘅。咁咧我哋中文大學咧嗰個崇基圖書館咧有好多唔同你哋坊間依家DSE 用緊嘅教科書咧，雖然唔借得走，但係咧我喺嗰度都刨晒啦。咁我見到咧佢哋可能教得咧就每一個 topic 都好仔細嘅，但係咧就有時欠缺一啲連貫性啊，唔知究竟發生咩事。無啦啦有個 sales daybooks 出現，咁你就學啦。咁其實一個 sales daybook 係咩？就係咁樣咯，就係有一個 business transaction 發生咗，有一個 document 咧話俾你聽有呢個 business transaction，然後就喺呢個咁嘅 book 裏邊做記錄啦。得唔得先？好啦，咁呢一 part 咧就講住咁多先啦。咁我哋咧即刻揭去 notes 嘅 page 3咧，繼續講埋呢個B part 嘅部分啦。好啦，咁其實咧喺講即係真正究竟個 double entry 係咩之前咧，其實我想講一樣嘢嘅。咁記住啦，所有嘅accounting 做數或者解釋都係由個 firm 嘅角度出發啦。我講過啦，上一堂。咁咧其實 purchase 同 sales 咧就係 deal with 咩人咧？就係 deal with 一個 buyers 啦，同埋另一邊廂咧就係 dealing with 一個咩 suppliers 啦。咁先講同 buyers 嘅關係啊，同 buyers 嘅關係就係指咩？佢好想買你啲貨嘅，咁你咪賣啲貨俾佢啦，係啦，賣啲貨俾佢咯。咁人哋咧就有兩個 situation 嘅。咁首先咧，你賣貨俾佢呢個行為咧，一定叫咩？一定叫 sales 啦。咁但係有兩個 situation 嘅喎，人哋咧一可以即時現兜兜俾翻 cash 你嘅，得唔得先？咁但係第二個 situation 係咩？二就係咧，佢可以咧 delay。即係爭住你數10日先俾翻錢你嘅，O 唔 OK？咁咧呢兩種 sales 咧係有唔同嘅喎，嗰個 terminology 或者個學名。嗱，我哋喺 accounting 度咧，如果佢係即時 immediate 俾翻一個錢你咧，我哋咧就會稱之為咧佢叫做咩？叫做一個 cash sales。嗱，呢度有寫呢個 cash sales。但係如果佢係擲住你數嘅，係需要經過一個 credit period 嘅，即係經過一個借款期或者一個限期嘅，咁講咧就叫做 credit sales 啦。有冇問題？咁所以咧 debit cash sales 同 credit sales 唔好意思，嗰個 double entry 係唔同嘅喎。嗱，首先咧做呢個 sales 嘅 double entry 咧，你係賣咗貨俾人啦。如果係一個 cash sales 嘅話，你首先咧就係會現兜兜咧即時收翻啲錢。咁你收咗啲錢咧，一定係咩？一定係 debit 嗰個 cash account 啦。咁然後 credit 乜嘢啊？credit 就係呢個 sales account 啊。咁 sales account 係屬於咩咧？你又可以暫時咧當佢係 revenue 嘅。嗱，點解係好似仲係好模糊咁咧？究竟 sales account 同 purchase account 性質？因為你最後尾咧 sales account 咧係會將嗰個所有嘅 transaction 咧過翻落個 profit and loss 嗰度，或者叫 income statement 嗰度嘅。咁所以咧呢個 account 只不過一個 temporary 嘅 account，一個暫時性 account 咧，最後尾完咗 accounting cycle 之後咧，呢個 account 係會消失咗嘅，每一個 financial period。明唔明啊？咁所以佢係一個 temporary 嘅 revenue account。咁咧一個 revenue account 咧，佢嘅credit side 咧就係 increase 啦，debit side 就係decrease。咁expenses account 咧，即係例如我講過就好似 purchase 呢啲咁咧，當住佢係一個 expenses account 啦。咁佢個 debit side 就係 increase expense 代表 credit side 就係 decrease 啦。咁所以因此咧，我哋 debit 個 cash 啦，cash 係 assets account 嘛。咁記唔記得 assets 係點樣啊？Assets account 咧個 debit side 就係咩？個 debit side 就係 increase 嘛，credit side 就係 decrease。咁所以我哋就 debit 呢個 cash 咧就係 increase 個 assets 啦，然後 credit 呢個 sales 咧亦都係 increase 嗰個 expenses 啦。有冇問題先？咁咧就一個 debit 一個 credit 咧就 balance 咗啦。好啦 ，OK，咁如果咧係一個 credit sales 喎，佢唔係即刻俾翻錢你喎，佢要隔10日先俾翻錢你喎，咁咧 我哋個 double entry 咧就唔同啦。我哋咧就首先係咩 debit 一樣嘢叫做 trade receivables 啦，trade receivables 或者叫 debtors 啦舊制，咁然後 credit 呢個 sales 啦，咁 OK？sorry，頭先呢度咧我係咪因為講錯 ？sales 係 revenue account，所以 credit 個 revenue 就係增加個 revenue，sorry 係啦，冇錯。咁 debit 個 cash 咧就係增加個 cash，OK？咁就係 balance 咗噶啦，亦都。咁嘅時候咧，OK 好啦，咁咧就再講落去啦，係啦，咁呢個咧就係 trade receivables 啦，trade receivables 係咩？就係指爭你錢嗰一啲人啊喺買賣嘅時候，咁爭你錢嗰啲人咧，遲下你可以咧係問佢攞翻錢嘅，得唔得先？好啦，咁個 double entry 咧 of 個sales 咧就係咁樣嘅啫，咁我哋咧就再睇睇 purchase 啦，purchase 咧就係同個 suppliers 嘅關係，即係你向佢買貨。佢俾啲貨你，跟住咧你就俾翻啲錢佢。OK，同樣地俾錢咧係可以咧有機會係 delay 嘅喎，可以 delay 10日嘅喎，亦都係。咁 delay 10日係咩？我哋就叫佢咩 credit purchase 就係 credit purchase。咁 credit purchase 係點咧？就係 debit 乜嘢 ？debit purchases 係啦。我哋講嘅 purchases 係一個 expense account 咧，當係呢一邊咧就係增加咗一啲 expense 咧，然後 credit 咩啊 ？credit 咧，因為你爭住人錢嘛，就係 credit 一個 trade payables 啊。咁呢個 trade payables 我之前 lesson one 講過係咩？就係一個 liabilities 嚟噶嘛，仲要係一個 current liabilities 嘛，遲下就會講噶啦，得唔得先？咁所以咧你就變相咗爭多咗人錢啦。點解要 credit 啊？個 liabilities，因為 liabilities 咧嘅 credit side 係代表增加嘛，你增加爭人錢咪 credit 個 liabilities account 咯，OK？咁 cash purchase 咧就好簡單嘅，就係 debit 個 purchases 啦，然後 credit 咧個 cash 就得啦，或者係 bank 都得嘅。嗱，遲下又會講嘅，即係都係用錢俾咁嘅意思嘅啫。OK，但係遲下就要分翻清楚 cash 就 cash，bank 就 bank，得唔得？咁變咗咧，其實個關係咧係好明確，係好簡單嘅啫。O 唔 OK？好啦，咁再落到嚟咧，好啦，就再講一講呢個 return inwards 同呢個 returns outwards 啦。咁咧其實咧 return inwards 咧就一定咧係同呢個 sales 有關嘅喎，所以第二個名咧我哋就叫做 sales return。咁但係 return outwards 咧就一定同呢個 purchases 有關喎，所以我哋咧就叫佢做 returns，又可以叫佢做 purchases returns。咁點解 returns inwards 一定同 sales 有關咧？就係 return inwards 人哋點會退貨嚟啊？無啦啦就係你曾經賣過貨俾人嘛，你賣過貨俾個 buyers， 賣過貨俾個 trade receivables 啦，咁人哋可能貨不對版先會退翻俾你噶嘛，得唔得先？咁所以咧一定係同個 sales 有關嘅。咁咧如果咧你之前賣俾佢咧係按一個 cash sales 嘅話，咁點樣？你就現兜兜點啊？退翻錢俾人咯。你退翻錢俾人，首先係咩 credit cash 你一定少咗錢㗎，然後 debit 乜嘢啊？然後 debit 一個 account 就叫做 returns inwards 啦。係啦，呢個 returns inwards 嘅 account 咧就負責記錄晒所有有關同呢個 buyers 或者叫 trade receivables 咧有關嘅嗰一啲嘅returns 啦，得唔得？咁但係咧，如果你係按一個 credit 嘅basis 啊，即係之前係一個 credit sales 嚟嘅，即係你唔使人哋唔使即刻俾翻錢你嘅，擲住你數先嘅。咁咧就點啊？人哋貨不對版喎，本身咧你賣呢個幾多錢啊？賣呢個100蚊嘅貨俾人，人哋退翻10蚊俾你喎，得唔得先？咁退翻10蚊俾你，呢10蚊點啊？本身咧你記錄咧就係爭佢10蚊嘅，咁應該理論上係扣翻呢10蚊，咁即係人哋 total 只不過係爭你呢個90蚊嘅啫，咁所以係應該係同乜嘢有關咧？就係同嗰個 trade receivables 有關啦。同樣地，你首先係 debit 一個 returns inwards 啦，然後 credit 咧乜嘢 credit 翻個 trade receivables。因為人哋爭少咗你錢嘛 ，trade receivables 即係一個咩？一個 assets account 嘛，人哋爭少咗你錢 ，debit side 係 increase，credit side 係 decrease，要爭少咗錢，即係我哋少咗 assets 啦，少咗嗰個問人攞錢嗰個金額啦，咁所以咧就係 credit 啦，得唔得啊？就係 credit 個 trade receivables。OK，咁繼續啦，其實一樣嘅即係個道理，你識 sales 咧就識 purchase，識 purchase 咧就識 sales，其實係個道理好顯淺，亦都係啱啱好得冚調翻轉嘅啫。咁咧我就呢度直接講咧就係會係咩？就係會係 return out 嘅時候，你 退翻貨俾人，人哋要回翻水俾你嘛。咁就係 credit 咩 ？credit 呢個 returns outwards 啊。因為你之前係按一個 cash 嘅purchase 嘛，咁所以咧你按 cash，人哋咪退翻 cash 俾你咯。咁但係如果你係按 credit 嘅，仲爭住人錢嘅，你退翻貨俾人，咁你咪爭少啲人錢咯。咁所以我哋就係咩？就係同人哋 debit 呢個咩 trade payables 咯。然後咧 credit 咩 ？credit 呢個 returns inwards 咯。嗱，點解 debit trade payables 咧？又係攞翻個 T account 出嚟啊？trade payables 係咩？trade payables 係一個 liabilities 嘛，liabilities 係咩？debit side 就係 decrease，credit side 就係increase 嘛。咁你而家爭少咗人錢嘛，咁你所以係咪 decrease in liabilities 就會係 debit side 嘅 transaction 咯。好啦，咁最後尾咧呢一個位置咧就唔知點解褪咗位啦，咁我都褪一褪翻佢先。咁咧就其實係咩啊？有一個溫馨提示喺度喎。咁個溫馨提示咧就同你講乜嘢？就係講話記住 remember debtors 咧就係指 people who owe you money from sales，即係話人哋爭你錢嘅 creditors，即係你爭人錢嘅，得唔得？好啦，咁事不宜遲啦，即刻咧睇睇個 format 咧係究竟係點噶啦。咁咧其實咧喺傳統嘅真係仲係 writing 嘅 accounting 嚟講，即係手寫啊，I mean 即係手帳嚟講咧，真係咧會有一本 sales 嘅呢個綠色係就叫咩 purchase daybooks 啦。咁樣喺度咧，然後咧裏邊一二頁咧去記低嗰啲 information 嘅，得唔得？同樣地咧，亦都係會真係有本 sales daybook 喺度啦，然後一頁頁咧記低嗰啲 information。但係我講過咧，lesson one 就係依家開始電腦化，咁但係電腦化咧就唔係好關我哋事嘅，咁因為我哋咧始終係一個 paper writing 嘅 examination，所以我哋咧就只不過係用翻傳統嘅方法去做嘅啫，咁就係手寫記低啦。咁咧好啦，其實咧無論係 sales daybooks 嚟講咧，定係purchase daybooks 嚟講，嗱一樣嘅呢啲名全部通㗎嚇，唔該，唔好問我啊。嚟講咧，咁係啦，佢哋嗰個格式都係一樣嘅。首先咧有4個 column 嘅。咁咧就係第一個 column 就係 date 啦，一定要記錄低嗰個日期啦。第二個 column 就係 particulars 啦，有啲乜嘢啦。第三個 column 就係其實俾你加減乘除係 details。第四個 column 咧就係我嚟計 total 嘅。咁而每一個 row 即係打橫叫 row，打直叫 column，就係記低一單嘅 business transaction 或者一單嘅 entry 咁樣嘅，得唔得先？咁呢個 concept 咧其實就係咁簡單嘅啫。咁咧就好啦。咁譬如咧。如果嗱唔使驚嘅，就係呢一個咁嘅格式，無論喺 sales daybooks 裏邊同埋 purchase daybooks 裏邊都應用得到嘅。如果假設呢個表係喺一個 sales daybook 出現，咁呢個 ABC Limited 係乜嘢啊？一秒你俾你答，咁答完啦，咁呢個一定係 trade receivables 啦。因為呢個係 sales daybooks 嘛，sales daybooks 係記錄低所有咩啊，所有爭你錢嘅人啊嘛，所有嘅 debtors 同 trade receivables 嘛。咁但係我如果同你講，依家呢本呢個表咧係喺一個purchase daybooks 裏邊出現，呢個係咩啊？呢個自然係一個 trade payables 啦。咁 trade payables 係咩？記錄低你爭人錢嗰啲 transaction 嘛，即係俾你爭錢嗰啲人嘛，O 唔 OK 先？咁所以咧個格式一樣嘅啫。咁我哋不如呢度咧就假設住佢係一個sales 嘅 daybook 先啦。咁如果佢係一個 sales daybooks 嘅話咧，咁首先咧第一個 row 咧呢度咧就寫低咧嗰個trade receivables 嗰間公司嘅名咧，譬如 ABC Limited 啦。第二咧就寫低究竟買咗幾多件咩嘅貨，同埋每一件係幾多錢啦。呢個係指每一件。原來咧就買咗100件 iPhone。賣咗100件 iPhone 係啦，呢個 sales daybooks 係呢個係 trade receivables，即係賣一個 bias 嚟嘅，你賣貨俾佢嘅對象嚟嘅，咁佢就向你買咗100部 iPhone，每一部就200蚊，咁即係 total 咧呢個就係有2萬蚊嘅金額啦。咁但係咧你就俾咗咩？俾咗個 trade discount 佢。嗱呢個留意啊，呢個 trade discount 咧遲下咧千祈唔好咧同一個 concept 叫做 cash discount 撈亂啦。千祈唔好撈亂，因為咧下個 topic 咧 cash book 咧呢個 cash discount 嘅 concept 咧就要釐清翻啦。如果撈亂咗就好大鑊。嗱，我首先夾硬灌輸一個 concept 落你腦袋度，trade discount 係冇 double entry 嘅，我呢個 DE 啊，即係 double entry 嘅簡稱，冇 double entry。講多次 trade discount 係冇 double entry 嘅，得唔得先？咁 trade discount 嘅成因係咩？就係原因好簡單，就係因為呢個字就係 bulk purchase，即係當你大量買貨嘅時候，人哋見你咁有誠意，梗係俾翻個 discount 你啦，同唔同意思啦？同樣地，呢本係 sales day books 嘛，咁你人哋買咁多貨，成100部 iPhone 喎，咁你咪 allow 一個 trade discount 俾人咯。咁如果你係呢本係一個 purchase day book，你買大量嘅貨，人哋俾個 discount 你咪 receive 一個 trade discount 咯，得唔得？我再講一次，discount 咧都有分 allow 同埋 receive 嘅，咁似下 cash discount 一樣嘅，咁但係我哋而家 focus on trade 先。咁 cash trade discount allow 係指咩？就係指當呢一本係一本 sales day books 嘅時候，人哋向你買大量嘅貨，你 allow 俾人，你允許給別人嘅，咁咪 discount allow 咯。如果你係呢本係一本 purchase day book，係你係買貨翻嚟嘅時候咧，人哋俾個 discount 你收到呢個優惠嘅話，你咪 trade discount receive 咯，得唔得？好嘅，搞清楚呢個 trade discount 係咩嚟？好啦，咁呢本咧我講過係 assume 佢係一個 sales day book，所以呢10% 嘅 trade discount 咧係你 allow 俾人嘅。咁2萬蚊嘅10% 咧就係幾多錢咧？就係2000蚊。咁所以咧呢度有個 breakdown 咧，咁呢個2萬減呢個2000就會係18000啦，total 呢一度。好啦，咁 DEF 一樣啦，咁我快做咗，一個就係3萬蚊，呢個就係1500蚊，所以就係28500。OK，咁其實咧就我舉咗一個 example，即係仲有好多唔同嘅例子啊，可能有10個 transaction 嘅，咁樣一路落去照同樣 record，最後尾咧將個 day book 嘅呢個嘅總數咧加埋佢一齊咧有一個嘅 balance 咧，咁呢個 balance 咧就會 post 去邊啊？post 去呢個 sales account 啊，咁我遲下咧就會講點解啦，咁但係呢度唔使理住先，記住呢個 format 咁就 OK 啦。好啦，咁再落到去第二個格式啦，見到呢一度咧就係乜嘢？就係呢一個嘅 returns inwards books 同埋 returns outwards books。好啦，咁如果係一個 return inwards book，咁呢一個係咩？俾1秒你，咁嘅係 trade receivables 啦。因為 return inwards books 一定係同咩？同 sales 有關嘅嘛。咁 return outwards book 一定係咩？一定係同 purchases 有關嘛。咁如果呢一個係 return outwards book，咁呢一間 ABC Limited 咧就自然係一個咩？一個 trade payables 啦，得唔得？咁我唔多講啦。唯一我想講嘅就係你要清楚到 return inwards 或者 outwards 嗰個金額。咁咧，假設呢本係一本 return inwards book 先啦，因為上邊係一本 sales day books，咁可以承接翻咧上邊嘅東西。假設咧 ABC Limited 咧，你賣咗貨俾佢，佢向你買貨，然後佢不滿意你賣給他的貨，咁然後佢要回翻10部 iPhone 入嚟，咁呢個係咩？呢個係 return inwards。咦，咁但係咪真係每部 iPhone 200蚊啊？唔係㗎。大佬，你俾咗10%，人哋嘅 discount 就係10%嘛，你只不過係收咗180蚊嘅一部嘅啫喎，得唔得先啊？180蚊點嚟啊？就係呢個18000蚊嘛，呢個真正嘅金額18000蚊嘛，然後除翻幾多？除翻100部嘛，咁咪180蚊一部咯。咁人哋退翻10部，即係理論上退翻幾錢啊？就係1800蚊啊！你千祈唔好用呢個 gross price 去計，一定要用個 net price。嗱，gross price 咧就係指咩？通常你 gross 咧就係真係點講係 gross 嘅，即係完全冇扣減過任何嘅 discount 嘅。咁 net price 我哋通常就話係 minus 咗 less 咗一個 discount 嘅，咁就係一個net price 啊。咁同樣下邊一樣啦，退翻就係2850啦，因為上邊呢度咧一部就係幾多？就係除翻100就係285，咁退翻10部就係2850，咁我唔氹氣多講啦，得唔得？咁咧最後尾仲有3個 reminder，記住啊，記住所有喺 day books 出現嘅呢啲 transaction 咧，一定係只不過係同一啲 credit 嘅 sales 或者 credit 嘅 purchase 有關，所有嘅 cash sales 或者 cash purchase 咧，嗰啲嘅 transaction 咧係唔會喺呢啲 sales day books 裏邊啊。sales day books 同 purchase day books 咧，只不過記錄一啲 creditors 或者 debtors 或者所謂嘅 trade receivables、trade payables 裏邊嗰啲嘅 transaction 嘅啫，得唔得？咁另外咧 trade discount 咧就係呢個 definition 自己睇翻啦。咁記住呢一個紅色位置lesson 3嘅時候，記住攞翻呢一個 lesson 2嘅 notes 出嚟 revise 多幾次。Don't mix up 或者 mess up with 呢個 cash discount 啦，因為 mess up 咗就好緊要。嗱，我講過最大個 difference 係咩？就係 cash discount 係有 double entry， 而頭先啱啱講嗰個 trade discount 係冇 double entry。嗱，我記住所有解釋 D 係 double 啦，entry 係 E 啦，trade 係 T 係 trade 啦，D 係 discount 啦，得唔得？自己寫翻全寫，因為我快啊要，得唔得？我再講一次 cash discount 有 double entry，trade discount 冇 double entry，得唔得？唔好搞錯，緊記呢個 concept，得唔得先？好啦，咁或者講到呢度呢，大家都開始有啲消化不良啦，咁不如等大家慢慢消化下一啲東西先。咁我哋轉頭呢，翻嚟呢，再講講呢，究竟下一個 step 呢係點樣做嘅。